Do you have a dog that loves to be pampered and not just in the house, but also when you go in the car? If you do, you need to get one of these super soft and cozy dog seats that I was gifted by the brand. Now, this is for small to medium-sized dogs. So I would say my little Morkie is 8.5 to 10 pounds, and she fits perfectly in here. So it probably would fit up to about a 30-pound, 35-pound dog. So your French bulldogs, your Boston Terriers, your Puggles, your Pugs, anything like that will fit in this car seat, and as small as a Chihuahua, really. But and what I love about it is it's got this big, cushy, fluffy booster seat side, so it gets them nice and high in the car seat. So if you've got a dog that likes to look out the window, this will get them high enough that they'll maybe able to do that. So love the fluffiness of it, and they will feel, so in those cold, they can just burrow down in here, and it just makes them feel super secure here. It also has 2 separate leashes in here to keep them in place when you're riding in the car. So you can attach this onto their harness, and then you have the strap that goes around the back of your headrest here, and that goes around the seat belt can then go through here as well, and this can go around the back of the seat. So if you put them in the front seat, this goes around the headrest and this goes around the seat. If you put them in the back seat, you have straps here that the car seat can go through to keep it in place. So it's good for either the front or the back seat. It has little pockets here on the outside. It has a water resistant cooling fabric on the outside of this, nice warm fluffy stuff on the inside. Now, what is great about this then, so this is going to keep them really, really warm in the cold winter months when you throw them in the car, because it's got that soft furry. But then what do you do when it's hot out? They don't want to be with all this furry hotness. So ingeniously, this one is completely reversible. Now you've got cooling fabric so that they won't get too hot. So love the fact that it's reversible. And as a bonus, it also comes with a full pillow cover. So if this one gets soiled or dirty and you need to wash it, you don't need to wait till it comes out of the dryer. You can throw the other one on and you have a replacement. So love that. It is just a great all around car seat to keep your dog in the car nice and comfortable, like they've been. I mean, your small dogs, we all know small dogs like to be pampered. So this is a great way to keep them feeling nice and pampered in the car, as well as when you're at home. So thanks again to the brand for gifting this to me.